everybody. As you can see this gold envelope, I'm here for a Foxy Fix mystery sale unboxing. All I did was cut the top of it, and I see the bag. And let's pull everything out. Oh, I can see what color it is already. Let me get that out of the way. And let me get the invoice out of the way. Oh wait, there's stuff in the invoice though. What's there? Oh. Okay. So I got 2 of their business cards. There you go, just so you can see that. And the leather sample I got was the Spice Sage, which I have one of already and I really love. And the color is pink. I wasn't wanting a pink, but it's a mystery sale, so you never know what you're going to get. And what I placed an order for was the, you can see the beautiful Foxy Fix mark right there. What I had placed an order for was a single number 4, or personal, because I've been using the personal size this year. I started in the A6 for like all of 1 month, and then I don't know, something happened and I got a draw for the personal size. So I had ordered first this one. This is a Rowena. It's a beautiful leather, and this is a single, but my single has pockets. And I'm actually thinking I might switch into this for the month of February. Because I've been using this one ever since it came. And this is the Lush Black Beauty. And I'm realizing that I really like the size. My first videos that I ever posted here on YouTube were for One Book July, and I was using a Chic Sparrow, which I still have because it has my name down here embossed in it. And it was in the creme brulee, and it was the deluxe, and it was the deluxe that had the 2 secretarial pockets. I don't know, I had a feeling when I clicked that send button that I was gonna get something pink. And this is a gorgeous pink. It's more like a nude, let me get my flute out of the way. It's casting a little bit of a shadow. I forget the name of this color, but it's the same leather that is that I have in the blueberry, the A5 blueberry that the husband has kind of usurped. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. And I had just placed an order today. Oh, it's a little bit smaller than this one. I had just placed an order today for, let me find it. I got this beautiful Lady Falcon Traveler. Let me see if I can get a little more light. I'm not sure if that helped or made things worse. This is the beautiful Autumn Sky color from Monique. And this is in the B6 Slim. And I've really loved using this. I've been using this as like a journal. I do have a calendar in it because I have a calendar. I'm kind of like that. I have a calendar in all of my notebooks. But I've been using this and I really love it. And I'm so glad I did, because today is the last day. January 31st is the last day that she will have this color available, because it's one of the seasonal ones. And so I decided to get it in the personal size. And I know you're thinking, but John, that is the same size. It really isn't. I've put my personal inserts in here, and I love the way they come almost all the way to the edge. One thing I noticed with these is you can see there's all of that space. And I think that's because most people that do buy a Foxy Fix or a Chic Sparrow love to stuff their notebooks. I mean, I have stuff in here I normally would never have in a notebook, because if I didn't, you know, the spine, you know, wouldn't be as sturdy, even with the, you know, the extra piece of leather there and the reinforcing. You know, they're just meant to hold a lot of stuff. Like, I normally don't do dashboards, so that's 3 things right there I normally wouldn't have in a notebook. And then just to give it a little bit of structure, I put in these writing boards and of course my Weight Watchers notebook, little insert. And I haven't really used in the large size the back pocket. Now I do have to say, I use that back pocket in my little micro, and I love the back pocket. So what I did was I placed an order for this exact same notebook. The only thing that is different is if you look here, gosh, am I even in the center of the screen? Yeah. If you look here, you'll see I have a full pocket. So you can actually use this for one of the Stalogy B6 Slims, and it will fit very well. You might have to trim a little bit off, but I'm not too sure because I don't own one, I never have. But all I know is like my inserts, like my Peaky Dory design inserts will fit in there. They will, but I'm at such a weird angle. But you'll see how though they fit in there. Anyways, oh no, it should. So what I decided to do is I ordered one from Monique, since today was the last day, in this beautiful color in the personal size. And when the husband heard I did that, he was like, oh, I want your B6 Slim. And I was like, but I don't know if I want you to have my B6 Slim. And he's like, well, you're not using it. I'm like, well, but who says I won't be using it? Because like I have a journal that I've started that I'll need to finish. So there you go. So I actually might put my stuff in here. So this one, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful leather. I can't remember the name of it, but I know it was popular for quite some time. So it might appear on a buy-sell trade, or I just might decide to make some personal size inserts and give it to my sister because pink is one of her favorite colors. So we will see. Okay, just a quick little unboxing to share with you what I got today. Actually, I think I'm gonna move into this, but I'm gonna take the pen loop off because I'm not a big fan of that pen loop. Okay, there you go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.